What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are just joining us, hit that subscription button. My name is Penny and I do everything from car content, car spotting, anything automotive related really, and just trying out different stuff to see what you guys like out there. In today's video, I am sitting in my trunk of my Nissan Versa, and this is the daily, not the Fiat. We're actually gonna do some Fiat work and hopefully get the timing going. So I had it fixed, but it had a leak on the water pump, and there was the dipstick also didn't have the gasket on there, so it was pissing out oil at the back. But I did fix that, and now I just gotta do the timing, and then it'll run 100%. Get it smogged back on the streets. So close. So before I talk about what's going on in here, this is kind of just gonna be a quick how to install speaker grills, really, and this is gonna help protect stuff in the speakers. Really, it's gonna help protect those guys and make sure that like nothing is gonna hit the cones or anything like that. But before I do talk more into detail on how to show you guys, I just want to say we have hit that 4,000 hour mark, which is absolutely amazing, and we are growing subscribers every single day. As always, your boy never has the right tools because I kind of had to park super far away from the car that has all my tools. So I have this bit. We're gonna just put that guy in there. So installing this is super easy. It's just finding the placement exactly where you want to put your protecting at, and really your main focus is just to protect this nice ridge right here, somewhere that's not going to interfere with the protecting area, and that's just going to stay nice and cute. So trying to get it nice and centered. The OCD is real. It's going to be a little bit of a difficult thing, but maybe right there looks good. But yeah, that's super easy, guys, how to install this. All you need is a Phillips. I just have a drill bit, and the kit does come with the hardware, and it's black, so it's nice. So you're just gonna basically put them through there, and that's how it's gonna sit in there. This is a wooden box, so enough of me talking. Let's get this thing installed. Alright, guys, so because I don't have a real Phillips, basically I just have to use this because my hands have a loss of grip, and that's it. Super easy to install these. I'm going to install the rest of them and show you guys the outlook. And this kit was bought off of Amazon, so it was only like 20 bucks. But if you guys have subwoofers and want to keep stuff in your trunk and still have a nice clean look to your subs, definitely recommend this one, guys. Alright, guys, so that was a quick little second for you. Got these grills up in there. I am gonna get the flathead later on and definitely tighten these down a lot better. If you guys do have a drill bit at home with the Phillips head, it's much easier to install these, and of course you get a much cleaner look, and aligning it with some tape and stuff like that. But that's basically it, guys. What else? So on there's going to be a couple events coming up on the 20th. La Cañada, the Cars and Connection. That one, I have been there before, and it was absolutely amazing out there. So that's going to be happening this Saturday, guys. So stay tuned for that video. And then on the 21st, as much as I would love to, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be scheduled in the morning, which is sad. But if not, I'll be definitely hitting up a bunch of different meets on the 21st. And then on the 28th, guys, there is a meet at the Peterson Museum. There are multiple different times, guys. So that's going to be amazing to go to. And yeah, so definitely, like I said, hit that subscription button so you guys do not miss out on any of this content. If you guys want to see me actually installing these subwoofers into the vehicle, scroll along the video page and there's a whole entire long video that I have done just making everything is in there. And then I had to give up and actually took it to a shop because these are not done with an aftermarket stereo. These subwoofers are just attached to one of the speakers inside the vehicle, so that's how the amp is actually wired up. But it works, it bangs. Maybe I'll add in a little clip of some rattles. And yeah, that's really it, guys. You know, as always, stay safe and stay chill.